You have until April 23rd to claim a share of a $10,000 prize pool in the YouTube Effect Maker Springtime Challenge. To enter, you must build your effect using their newest feature, the AI Video Generator. This specific tool is a strict requirement for every submission. Before you begin building, verify your eligibility. You need to be of legal age in your jurisdiction, reside in one of the approved countries, and have advanced creator features enabled on your YouTube account. Step 1 is registering on the Lenslist portal. You will need to provide your YouTube channel ID, which is a specific string of characters that always begins with the letters UC. Complete this step right now. Registering immediately secures the specific submission link sent to your email, which you will need to finalize your entry later. The visual parameters of this challenge focus on springtime renewal. You can build effects around holidays like Easter or Hanami, or design a prank for the dedicated April Fool's Day prize category. But to build a winning effect, you must design for the reality of short-form viewer retention. This chart maps viewer attention over 15 seconds. Notice the critical retention zone at the very beginning. Your effect must trigger an immediate visual payoff within 3 seconds. An immediate trigger keeps audiences engaged. If the animation takes 10 seconds to load, viewers have already scrolled past. A brilliant conceptual design holds zero value if the viewer leaves before the effect actually activates. Now let's open the Effect Maker platform and focus on the GenAI video tool interface. Prompting this system requires strict syntax. You must write exclusively in English using direct and highly descriptive sentences. When instructing the AI on how to treat the person in the camera, use the neutral pronoun protocol. Refer to them broadly as the subject rather than assigning a specific gender. Do not use negative constraints. If you type words like don't or no, the AI will likely misinterpret the prompt and generate the exact element you wanted to exclude. To request a transformation, describe the physical motions and sequential effects as they occur. Do not simply describe the final image you want at the end of the video. You can prompt for scene sounds and background music, but you must completely avoid requesting speech, dialogue, or singing. Precise, positive language is the only method for controlling the AI. Poor syntax directly results in a corrupted and unusable visual output. Next, we map the effect to the platform's technical constraints. When creators launch the Shorts camera, they are defaulted to a 15-second recording limit. Most creators never adjust that default setting. Therefore, any visual transformation you build must be completely finished within that 15-second loop. The judging panel evaluates these technical limits under the user experience criteria. They test your effect across multiple devices to ensure a high frame rate and immediate responsiveness. Visual clutter degrades processing speed. A clean, highly optimized environment guarantees that the effect runs smoothly without frustrating the user. Technical execution carries just as much weight as the creative idea. A lagging effect will immediately fail the judging criteria. With your asset finalized, the first phase of deployment is locking in the code by clicking Publish within the Effect Maker dashboard. Next, you have to prove the effect functions in the real world. You must record a live YouTube short demonstrating it in action. Ensure your recording has high-quality lighting and trigger the visual interaction immediately so the judges can verify it in the very first second. For the final step, open the submission form for your initial registration email, paste the link to your published YouTube short, and submit. You can repeat this entire build cycle as often as you want before April 23rd, submitting separate entries to multiply your chances of winning. A winning submission relies on a flawless chain of execution, designing for immediate engagement, prompting the AI with precision, and deploying a technically optimized file.